usijam mama.
Si ndio sinaribe my day.
Yeah.
Yani
Peleka stand the other side. Yeah. Next time we'll be having brand deals. You know, we'll be making a lot of money. We'll be traveling. Literally.
yeah, clock that, clock it.
Have so much fun together.
I know.
Hey guys.
Hi Albi's channel. Did you guys miss me? Cause I missed you.
Welcome to my YouTube channel. And y'all know Kenya,
It's me.
aka Peggy,
Go.
aka my buddy friend.
I thought she was saying my best friend. Yeah, but my body friend can work.
Type shit.
Guys, wow. Saa zingine unayekupenda upendi.
Unapenda mwingine anapenda mwingine.
Na kama penzi ni chupa la bia.
My mind that's you talk. I put my life into my job and I know I'm in trouble. She manipulate my love. I know holy and I know that devil. That the Baba fry yo, my ayo, don't cry yo. I need to go and shadow. I need to go and shadow. I need to go and shadow. I need to go and shadow.
Na hiyo game wanaichezanga Tibolo
Every time. Polo, Marco.
Eh,
Polo.
that's nice.
Hi guys. Yeah, hello. We're going to the cards. Okay.
Oh, to see me winning and Albert losing.
Wacha tuone guys. Let's see who's the baddest player in the court today.
Team Peggy, comment below if you think I'll win. Just put your comments down below.
Unanipiga? Just let's look pretty for a while. But we're always matching.
Yeah, because we're twin bitches.
Twin bitches. That's a wrap. That's a wrap. See you later.
When I drop a song, I go need to dance. They walk, I could get it, to be my class. Then I find the sound, I'm on the sound. I know get the name, I know sing the sound. Sound, Mr. Money sound. I want the precise,
I'm just so ashy as hell. Maybe guys, I got my wig installed. I think I'll post for you. Oh, the install. It's a nice hair, but it wasn't what I ordered, but nimeikubali and I look cute. So tuko tu hapa na Fiona, we're chilling. So we're just chilling. We're gonna go out again tonight. Acha nikwambie. Tuko tu na Mia kwa M-Pesa, lakini we have to step outside.
Teasing me, I feel you feeling me. You're
usicheke.
It looks nice. The place looks nice.
Oh, you look so nice. Unafanana mama yako kabisa. Okay.
You know, nice.
Thank you. Asanteni.
Thank you.